So my dear students, we were running through the topic of STD, that is the sexually transmitted disease. Here we have discussed regarding the various topics of STD. So after finishing the remaining topics of the STD, the only last most important topic which is left for us under the STD, that is the trichomoniasis. As at the beginning of the STD we have discussed, we have prepared a chart. There I have clearly mentioned that these are the types of bacterial infection, these are the types of viral infection and fungal infection, protozoal infections. Alright. So under that STD category, today we are going now we are going to discuss regarding the trichomoniasis. Trichomoniasis is basically a parasite infection. Trichomoniasis is a very common infection. It's a very common STD कह सकते हैं, very common infection in childbearing age in female. So when the female is going through the childbearing age, the menstrual age, whenever the female is approximately the age of 15 years to up to 45 years of age, during the childbearing age, the female very often they may develop the trichomoniasis. So it's a very common infection during the childbearing age. Basically, so let's discuss regarding this one. Now the trichomoniasis, it's the name of the disease. How it is caused? Trichomoniasis होता है basically. It is caused by the Trichomonas vaginalis. What it is? Trichomonas vaginalis. It is what? It is a parasite. So please don't forget about that. Trichomoniasis is caused by Trichomonas vaginalis, and Trichomonas vaginalis is what? It is a parasite. Approximately Trichomonas vaginalis का लगभग size होता है 20 micron. Approximately the size of the trichomoniasis is 20 micron, and the incubation period of trichomoniasis is around 3 to 28 days. Please note down this one also, very important. The incubation period of trichomoniasis is 3 to 28 days. So this is the overall incubation period, infectious period. During that the female develop this parasite infection. Alright, whenever the female is having childbearing age, or when she develop the trichomoniasis infection, basically almost around 25 to 30% female they remain asymptomatic. Means they may have the infection of this parasite, but they will not have the symptom. So when the symptom appear, whenever female falls sick, she is having some other disease, whenever her immune power will be low, during that time she will have the infection. Or when in case the vaginal pH goes high, normally the vaginal pH is approximately around 3.5 to 5, like a highly acidic pH. When the pH is more than 5, like around 6 or 7, some of the in very rare conditions because of some sort of infections. So in that time when the pH goes high, मतलब acidic medium खत्म होके जब neutral या alkaline की तरफ vaginal pH जा रहा है, ये infections के symptom develop हो जाते हैं. यह जो infection होता है parasite का, ये very commonly attack करता है. Alright, ये एक बड़ी चीज है. This one you must notice regarding the trichomoniasis. Alright, let's come on the other points now. The commonly what are the basic symptoms basically occurs. ओके, ट्राइकोमोनियासिस, जो ट्राइकोमोनास वेजाइनलिस जो पैरासाइट होता है, इसकी साइज 20 माइक्रोन होती है, और उसके आगे के फॉर्मेट में जो इसका हेड वाला एरिया होता है बेसिकली, वहां पे इसकी एक फ्लैजिला जैसी शेप होती है. इट लुक्स लाइक ए फ्लैजिला शेप. ऑलराइट, द ट्राइकोमोनियासिस जो है बेसिकली इसके क्या क्या कॉमन फीचर्स होते हैं. ओके, व्हाट इज द रूट ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन, हाउ ट्राइकोमोनियासिस इज ट्रांसफर टू ए फीमेल. ट्राइकोमोनियासिस, सी इसके ऊपर साफ साफ लिखा हुआ है एसटीडी. So it is a sexually transmitted disease. So through the sexual contact it can occur, or by the using of infected commodes, urinals, that also can cause the trichomoniasis. Like if a female who is having the parasite infection, and the same thing that infected commodes or bathrooms or washrooms are used by another female, then this kind of STD also can be transferred. Alright guys, so now let's discuss regarding the clinical feature of trichomoniasis. Clinical features of trichomoniasis. So whenever a female have trichomoniasis, she will have the common symptoms let is the like okay, what are the organs mainly affected in trichomoniasis? Trichomoniasis mainly attack to the Bartholin glands. It attacks to the basically Stenje glands, urethra and vagina. Mainly it also attacks to the vagina. So vagina, Bartholin gland are the main target of this parasite infection. Alright guys, now let's discuss regarding the clinical symptoms. So the female will have, सबसे पहले जो इंपॉर्टेंट सिम्टम है वहीं पे हम लोग आ जाते हैं. फीमेल विल हैव ऑफेंसिव, ग्रीनिश, थिन, प्यूरुलेंट वेजाइनल डिस्चार्ज. ये प्लीज नोट कर लेना. सबसे मेन क्लासिकल जो सिम्टम है, एक तो ये वाला मोस्ट क्लासिकल सिम्टम, देखिए यहां पे मैंने लिखा है, ये नोटिस करने वाली चीज है, ग्रीनिश वेजाइनल डिस्चार्ज. व्हाट आई मेंशन, ऑफेंसिव मतलब वेरी बैड स्मेल एंड ग्रीनिश वेजाइनल प्यूरुलेंट डिस्चार्ज फ्रॉम द वेजाइना व्हेनेवर द फीमेल हैव द ट्राइकोमोनास वेजाइनलिस इंफेक्शन. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट वन, एक यहां पे मैंने नोट भी किए हैं, दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई विल जस्ट राइट डाउन ओवर हियर अगेन, स्ट्रॉबेरी वेजाइना. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड. सो क्वेश्चन आ जाता है एग्जाम में कई बार कि स्ट्रॉबेरी वेजाइना कौन सी कंडीशन में अपीयर होती है. तो स्ट्रॉबेरी वेजाइना यूजुअली अपीयर इन दी ट्राइकोमोनास वेजाइनलिस इंफेक्शन. ऑल राइट गाइज, नाउ लेट्स गो ऑन. During what is the condition appear in the strawberry vagina basically? So whenever there is when the doctor goes for the examination, whenever the doctor is doing the vaginal examination, there will be red inflamed vagina. Vaginal region will be totally red, it will be inflamed, and also there will be some hemorrhagic spots. There will be some hemorrhagic spots in vagina. All right, hemorrhagic spots in the vagina. So overall इन सबको मिलाने के बाद में उनका वर्ड मेंशन कर दिया यहाँ पे, strawberry vagina. All right, this is another very very important symptoms of the Trichomonas vaginalis parasite infection. All right guys, so till now we have discussed two important symptoms. Number one, greenish purulent offensive vaginal discharge, and another is the strawberry vagina. Fine. So these are the common symptoms. Other than that, female will have pain during the urination, that is the dysuria. She will have the painful menstruation, dysuria. All right. Other than that, there will be genital itching. Dyspareunia, low grade fever. So fine, these are the common features which usually occur in the Trichomonas infection. Strawberry vagina, number one. Number two, greenish offensive purulent thin vaginal discharge. Number three, dysuria, dyspareunia, genital itching and low grade fever. फाइन. तो शुरुआत में मैंने दो सिम्टम्स बताए थे आपको, स्ट्रॉबेरी वाले और ग्रीनिश वाले. दिस वन वो सबसे मेनली आपको याद रखने हैं. एंड दीज आर आल्सो द कॉमन सिम्टम्स ऑफ द एसटीडी. ये सभी एसटीडी के अंदर मेनली कॉमन सिम्टम्स हैं. नाउ कम टू अनदर पॉइंट, what is the diagnosis of the Trichomonas vaginalis? Means how the Trichomonas vaginalis is diagnosed. See guys, clearly written over here by me as a presentation. Trichomonas vaginalis को diagnose करने के लिए जो initial time होता है, beginning के अंदर सबसे पहले हम slide prepare करते हैं. मतलब हम लोग basically we will prepare the slide for the diagnosis, microscopic slide for the preparation for the recognition of the trichomoniasis. तो इसके लिए लिखा हुआ है hanging drop preparation. ये एक मेथड होती है basically for the preparation of the slides, all those things. तो ताकि हम लोग इसको स्क्रीन कर सकें, we can diagnose this one. Hanging drop preparation, प्लीज याद रखना, एक वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मेथड है ये डायग्नोसिस ऑफ दी ट्राइकोमोनियासिस के लिए. हैंगिंग ड्रॉप प्रिपरेशन. ऑलराइट, अगर सपोज कीजिए बैक टू बैक आपने 2 बार 3 बार 4 बार अलग अलग स्लाइड प्रिपरेशन किए, आपने 3-4 बार एग्जामिनेशन किया अलग अलग टाइमिंग के ऊपर, किस चीज को, ट्राइकोमोनियासिस को, और हर बार नेगेटिव आया. Every time the symptom, the diagnosis was negative, the result was negative, but the female have the symptoms. If the female have the symptoms and the hanging drop preparation method is going to fail, then what happens? Then we have to go for another method. That is the culture media. We have to go for the culture media. All right. So what happens from the vaginal region? We need to take the swab, we need to take the culture, and we need to send it to the histopathology. Fine. So culture media basically it takes little bit time, some like 3 to 4 days. But which culture media is mainly used? Which culture media is mainly used for trichomoniasis? It is the Kupferberg method. That is the culture media name, Kupferberg method. Or another one is the Finberg-Wittingen कल्चर मीडिया. फिनबर्ग विटिंगन कल्चर मीडिया और कोफरबर्ग कल्चर मीडिया, ये मोस्ट कॉमन मेनली जो कल्चर मीडिया है विच आर यूज इन केस ऑफ ट्राइकोमोनास इन्फेक्शन. प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट, ये भी प्लीज आपको जरूर मेंशन करने हैं. यू मस्ट रिमेंबर अबाउट दैट इन योर एग्जाम. दे मे आस्क अबाउट दैट कि फिनबर्ग कल्चर मीडिया, फिनबर्ग विटिंगन कल्चर मीडिया किस केस के अंदर यूज करते हैं? ट्राइकोमोनासिस के केस में यूज करते हैं. या दे मे आस्क दैट कुफरबर्ग कल्चर मीडिया इज यूज इन विच काइंड ऑफ लाइक कल्चर मीडियाज? इट इज दी parasite culture media, या it is used for the trichomonas vaginalis culture media. All right. So Kupferberg method और Finberg method या culture medias are mainly used for the diagnosis of the trichomonas infection. All right guys. So overall mainly हम लोग यही कह सकते हैं कि trichomoniasis को अगर confirm करना है, we need to go through the culture. I think in my opinion the culture media or the culture, vaginal culture is the main source for the confirmation of the diagnosis of this parasite infection. Now let's go through the management. You have to diagnose the disease as soon as possible. Otherwise what happens? It can cause some major lesions or ulcer formation in the vaginal region. The disease can be ascend to the upper organs, and meanwhile it can also transfer to the male partner and other it can cause the septicemia. So what is the main thing which is we require is we need to treat the disease as soon as possible. Fine. So what is the basic management for this disease? Trichomonas vaginalis is treated with the main drug. The drug of choice होती है वो है metronidazole, जिसको मैंने शॉर्ट में क्या लिखा है? मेट्रोजिल. So the drug of choice of this parasite infection is metronidazole. What it is? It is metronidazole. How much dose you can give? You can give, I have written mention over again there, 200 mg TDS for a week, for 1 week at least. मतलब आपको क्या काम करना है? आपको जो मेट्रोजिल के जो टेबलेट है उसको दिन में 3 बार पेशेंट को देना है, फीमेल पेशेंट को, एंड इट शुड बी गिवन फॉर ए वीक. एटलीस्ट 1 वीक तक पेशेंट हैज टू टेक दिस मेट्रोजिल और मेट्रोनिडाजोल. सो व्हाट विल हैपन? डेफिनेटली द पैरासाइट विल बी किल्ड. जो पैरासाइट होते हैं वो टोटली खत्म हो जाते हैं. सो विच ड्रग्स वी आर मेनली यूजिंग? तो मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस में मेट्रोनिडाजोल इज यूज. बट गाइज सम केसेस ऐसे पेशेंट जो सेंसिटिव होते हैं मेट्रोनिडाजोल के लिए, या द पैरासाइट विच इज नॉट रेस्पॉन्डिंग to the metronidazole, in that case what we should do? In that case we should stop metronidazole. हम इस metronidazole की बजाय हम कुछ और दे सकते हैं. We can go for the clotrimazole tablet or clotrimazole ointment. It is clotrimazole. Clotrimazole की जो 100 mg की जो टेबलेट आती है, that has to be given through the transvaginal, वेजाना के अपर वेजानल पार्ट में बेसिकली प्लेस करना है. एटलीस्ट the female should place 1 tablet daily for 6 nights. How many days? For the 6 days. See, I have written here the clotrimazole 100 mg tablet in the vagina, upper vaginal part में place करना है female को, and at least for back to back 6 days के लिए. So what will happen? The clotrimazole will also act on the parasite, and it will kill the totally entire trichomonas parasite. So this is the main 2 common drugs which are mainly used for the treatment of trichomonas vaginalis. So under the treatment we have seen through the 2 things. Number 1, metronidazole, that is the metrozil 200 mg TDS. That is the most common drug or drug of choice for the trichomonas vaginalis. Other than that we can go for the clotrimazole. So guys, when we are treating to the female patients, when we are treating to the female patient, same time we need to treat the male partner also, because this is a sexually transmitted disease. So during the coitus, definitely the female has been transferred the infection to the male partner also. So it is well said that when you treat the any STD disease, when you treating the female, meanwhile you should also treat the male partner also. So guys, this is overall regarding the all the STDs. Under the STDs, we have discussed regarding the basics of like bacterial infections. That was regarding the syphilis, regarding the gonorrhea, chlamydial infection. When we gone through the viral infection, we have discussed regarding the HIV. Under the viral infection, we discussed regarding the one of the very important, that is the genital herpes, because of the herpes simplex जो होता है उसके बारे में हमने डिस्कस किया. When we came to fungal infection, we discussed regarding the monaliasis. Monaliasis का मतलब I am talking about the Candida albicans infection. कैंडिडियासिस, या इसको हम ऐसा कह सकते हैं वेजाइनल कैंडिडियासिस. तो हमने इसके बारे में डिस्कस किया था ऑलरेडी. फंगल इन्फेक्शन होता है ये एक. इसको वेजाइनल कैंडिडियासिस या मोनालियासिस कहते हैं. इट इज अ फंगल इन्फेक्शन. वी हैव डिस्कस ऑलरेडी. एनीवे आई एम जस्ट रिपीटिंग द सेंटेंस. ऑलराइट, आपको एक चीज कैंडिडा एल्बिकेंस के बारे में हमेशा क्या ध्यान रखनी है, इट लव दी शुगर हाई ब्लड ग्लूकोज या ग्लूकोज मीडिया. जहां पर ग्लूकोज ज्यादा होता है ये फंगल इन्फेक्शन ज्यादा कॉमनली अकर होता है, और जहां पे एसिडिक मीडियम ज्यादा होता है वहां पर भी एसिडिक मीडियम में भी फंगल इन्फेक्शन जो कैंडिडियल इन्फेक्शन है दैट इज वेरी कॉमनली इट अकर्स. ऑलराइट, और जब फीमेल को मोनालियासिस या जो कैंडिडा एल्बिकेंस का इन्फेक्शन होता है वेजाइनल रीजन के अंदर, तो उस केस के अंदर रो बीफ वल्वा अपीयर. याद रखना ये चीज भी. रो बीफ वल्वा का मतलब जो पूरा वल्वा का रीजन है, जैसे सपोज कीजिए लाइक बीफ का बेसिकली जो कच्चा मांस बेसिकली आप कह सकते हो, वैसा आपको बेसिकली पूरा एरिया आपको दिखाई देगा. तो मेनली रो बीफ वल्वा इज मेनली अपीयरिंग इन केस ऑफ विच इन्फेक्शन, मोनालियासिस इन्फेक्शन. द एंटायर वल्वा विल बिकम टोटली रेड, इन्फ्लाम्ड एंड then it will appear like a raw beef vulva. All right, ये एक important word है regarding the monaliasis. It is a fungal infection. And monaliasis का treatment क्या बताया था मैंने आपको? Monaliasis is a fungal infection, so we have to give the female what? We have to give antifungal drug like fluconazole. We can give the 50 mg fluconazole for 1 to 2 weeks. And other than that fluconazole, we can give the some of the fungicidal pastries, जिसमें निस्टेटिन आता है. Fungicidal pastries जो होती है that has to be placed in the upper vaginal part of the female. So what will happen? It will dissolve and it will totally kill the fungal infection which is already present into the entire vulva and vaginal region. So guys, we have discussed regarding the fungal infection in the STD. Then we have discussed regarding the which one? This parasite infection that today, that is the trichomoniasis. Meanwhile, we also discussed regarding the one of the ectoparasite, that is the scabies. सार्कोप्स स्कैबी के कारण जो होता है स्कैबीज, हमने उसके बारे में भी डिस्कस किया था. फाइन. सो गाइस, दीज आर द ओवरऑल बेसिक्स ऑफ द एसटीडी, सेक्सुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज. इन योर एग्जाम यू विल नॉट गेट any question out from these all disease. So you have to go through the questions. Now the MCQ, the multiple choice questions which are prepared like for the STD, sexually transmitted disease, you can get from the GRV Institute, or you can like it will be also available in your books. So what will happen? You have gone through the theory. What are the basic important questions which I already explained you. Now if you go and solve the MCQ multiple choice questions, you will have the basics. You can clear everything that now I am very well solid in the STD, sexually transmitted disease. Thank you.